More than 130 million Americans spend most of their waking hours either at the workplace or in some way connected to it. As the workplace has evolved and changed in recent decades, employers have begun making the connection between good health and the overall success of their enterprises. In this environment, the demand for quality healthcare providers trained in understanding the complex interplay of factors that affect worker health has grown significantly. So partnering with the right healthcare provider can be of great benefit to even small businesses. I'll be right back to list some of the things employers should look for when selecting an occupational health provider.
Welcome to this episode of Workplace Health, Improving Employee Health and Productivity, with President of Workplace Health, Inc., Shanna Dunbar.
It is important to look for the following when selecting an occupational health provider. First, they need to be knowledgeable of the work environment. Familiarity with potentially toxic materials and recognition of workplace hazards and job-related stressors is imperative. The healthcare provider should be invited to tour your facility so they can have a better understanding of the products or services your employees work with on a daily basis. Number two, the occupational healthcare provider should be able to recognize, evaluate, and treat occupational injuries and illnesses. An employee who simply has pain while working does not necessarily sustain a work-related injury. A provider needs to be able to complete a full assessment and determine the mechanism of injury to ensure the sustained injury is indeed work-related, and if not, still ensure that the employee gets the needed medical attention. Third, the occupational health care provider should be able to determine the employee's fitness for duty. That is the injured worker able to perform the essential functions of the job? And if not, do they understand the value of releasing that employee back to work with restrictions? Fourth, the provider must be familiar with state laws that govern workers' compensation, as well as the other regulatory requirements like OSHA. Something as simple as ordering a prescription medication for a minor issue that can be treated just as effectively with an over-the-counter medication can inadvertently increase the safety statistics for the employer. Many employers are not able to bid on certain jobs if they do not meet certain safety requirements. So this simple mistake can actually keep an employer from effectively getting work. So providers need to understand all the ramifications of their decisions. Choosing the right occupational health team member to serve your business is a great way to help keep your employees healthy.
Thank you for watching Workplace Health. For more great information, visit www.workplacehealthinc.com. Also browse the other shows found right here at Northeast Ohio Biz TV Shows.